Hello everyone, welcome to solve a nice math Olympiad problem which is x plus 3 and whole the power of 6 and is equal to 2 power of 6, and here it is. We find the solution of x, and now can be written as x plus 3 and whole the power of 6 and is equal to 2 power of 6. And now the other step is x plus 3 whole the power of 6, and this 2 power of 6 moved here is minus 2 power of 6 and is equal to 0. So x plus 3 and whole the power of this 6 can be written as 3 times 2 and then minus 2. The power of 6 can be written as 3 times 2 and is equal to 0. And now the other step is x plus 3 power of this 3 and whole the power of this 2, then minus 2 cube and whole the power of 2 and is equal to 0. So here x plus 3 power of 3 and minus this 2 cube and this whole the power of 2 and this whole the power of 2 can be written as, and now x plus 3 cube and then plus 2 cube and is equal to 0. So here it is the first case is x plus 3 whole the power of 3 then minus 2 cube and is equal to 0. And now here the second case is x plus 3 whole the power of 3 and then plus 2 cube and is equal to 0. It is second case. So here we can solve first case. X plus 3 whole the power of 3 and minus 2 cube and is equal to 0. And now we can be written as x plus 3 and whole the power of 3 and minus 2 cube. Here we can be written as x plus 3 minus 2 and then x plus 3 square, and now plus 2 x plus 3 and plus 2 square and is equal to 0. And so here x plus 1, and now this x plus 3 multiply 2 times and is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 2x plus 6 and then plus 4. And here we can solve this, and now x plus 1 and this x square and plus 6x and 2x is equal to 8x, and plus this 9, 6 and 4 added them and is equal to 19. So here x plus 1 is equal to 0, and now x is equal to this plus 1 moved here is minus 1, and here it is the first value of x. Here we find the first value of x, and so here we find the second value of x is x square plus 8x plus 19 is equal to 0. And here we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. And now here we put the values of this formula. X is equal to minus b is minus 8, and then plus minus square root b square is 8 square minus 4, a is times 1 and c is times 19, and then over 2 times 1. And now here we solve this. X is equal to minus 8 plus minus square root 8 square 8 multiplied 2 times is 64, and minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 19 and is equal to 76, and then over 2 ones are 2. And now minus 8 plus minus square root this 76 minus 64 is equal to minus 12, then over 2. And now minus 8 plus minus, and this minus 12 can be written as square root 4 times 3, 4 multiplied 2 times and is equal to 12, and then times square root minus 1, then over 2. And so here minus 8 plus minus square root 4 times 3 and times this square root minus 1 is minus 1, and then over 2. And now minus 8 plus minus, and this 4 can be written as 2 and square root this 3, and this minus 1 is can be written as I, then over 2. And now here this minus 8 over 2 and plus minus 2i square root 3 over 2, and this 2 divided by 8 is equal to 4, and this 2 cancelled out this 2, and here is remaining is minus 4 plus minus I, and then square root this 3, and here it is the second value of x is minus 4 plus I square root 3, and the third value of x is minus 4 minus I and then square root 3, and here it is the second and third value of x. And here the third values of x is first case, and now here we can solve the second case. And the second case is this is x plus 3 cube and plus 2 cube and is equal to 0. And now we solve this second case, and so we can be written as case 2 x plus 3 whole the power of 3 and plus 2 cube and is equal to 0. And now this x plus 3 cube is can be written as x plus 3 plus 2 and x plus 3 square, and then minus 2 x plus 3 and plus 2 square and is equal to 0. And now x plus this 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and now this is solve is x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 2x minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. And so x plus 5 and x square plus 6x and minus 2x is equal to 4x, and plus this plus 9 minus 6 and plus 4 is equal to 7. And so this x plus 5 is equal to 0. And here it is the fifth value of x5 is equal to this plus 5 moved here is minus 5 and 4 value. And now here it is we find the fourth value of x. And now here we can the fifth value of x is x square plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. And here we can use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. And now here we put the values in this formula. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 7 is equal to 2 times 1. And now x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root 4 square is 16 and minus 4 times 1 times 7 is equal to 28, and then over 2. And now here x is equal to minus 4 plus minus then square root 28 minus 16 is equal to minus 12, and then over 2. And now x is equal to minus 4 and plus minus and square root this minus 12 can be written as 4 times 3 and then times minus 1 and then over 2. And now this minus 4 and plus this 4 can be written as 2 and this minus 1 can be written as I and square root this 3 and then over 2. So here is minus 4 over 2 and plus minus 2i square root 3 over 2, and this 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, and this 2 cancelled out this 2, and then minus 2 and plus minus I square root 3, and here it is the fifth value of x is equal to minus 2 plus I square root 3, and the sixth value of x is equal to minus 2 minus I square root 3. And so after all, we can solve the six values of x is equal to the first value of x is equal to minus 1, and the second value of x is equal to minus 4 and plus square root 3, and the third value of x is equal to minus 4 minus I and square root 3, and the fourth value of x is equal to minus 5, and the fifth value of x is equal to minus 2 plus I square root 3, and the sixth value of x is equal to minus 2 minus I square root 3, and here it is our six values of x here, and here it is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.